Hello everyone, welcome to day 15th of June Leetcode challenge, and I hope all of you are having a great time. My name is Sanchit Dodeja. I'm working as technical architect SD4 at Adobe, and the problem that we have in today is longest string chain. This problem is based on the concept of dynamic programming, and for all those who have been associated with the channel may know that we have already solved this question in the month of May last year, and the like says it all, the comment says it all, and I'm pretty sure that once you will go through this video, the algorithm will be crystal clear to all of you guys. It is based on the concept of longest increasing subsequence, something similar to that, but have a twist associated with it. And in case this problem comes in an interview, it is highly likely probable that you will be able to solve it once you will go through this video. Also, to help you with the revision process, some of you might be already aware of that I have created Coding Decoded SD revision sheet. It's a lot overwhelming for all the students out there what to revise before an interview. So here is a list, guys. If you will go through this sheet, then you will see that few of the questions are marked with asterisk sign. That signifies that these are ultra critical from interview perspective. Also, if you go through some of the comments over here, then I have highlighted those questions that involve 3D in it. I have highlighted those questions that are easy, medium and hard. So please go through this list, and if you have an important interview scheduled very soon and you want to get a good hold of dynamic programming concept, then this playlist, this entire series is for you. So do check this out. Similarly, there are rest of the concepts as well for graphs, tries, binary search, backtracking, bit manipulation, monotonic stacks, two-pointer, priority queues or heaps, maps and matrices. So these are ultra critical again from interviews perspective, and if you'll go through some of these sheets, then you will see that I have also highlighted the template that gets applied on that concept. For example, here is the bit manipulation one. So the first thing that you need to do is to watch the first question, which is how to extract bits from a number of ones. Once you learn this technique, then you will see that you are applying the same technique across rest of the questions. Similarly, when you will see the backtracking one, so this is the one that contains the template, and rest of the questions apply the same concept, and all the backtracking questions will be on your tips. So do give these sheets a try. It's a must do, and I promise you guys, believe in me, that backtracking, bit manipulation, monotonic stacks, everything would become a cakewalk for you. You will be able to get the in-depth knowledge of each and every concept. And over to you. I'm attaching all these links in the description below, so do check them out. Thank you.